Hello, my darlings. Today we're whisking ourselves away to the land of fjords and folklore, Norway. Norwegian cuisine is all about simple, fresh ingredients and hearty flavors. It's food that warms you from the inside out, perfect for those cozy nights in. Imagine cozying up by a fireplace, a warm glow dancing on your face as the aroma of freshly baked treats fills the air. That's the magic we're creating today with a recipe passed down through generations: Crispy Norwegian Bows. These delightful little treats are as much fun to make as they are to eat. So put on your aprons, and let's embark on this delicious adventure together. Legend has it that these crispy bows were once a favorite treat of Vikings, who believed they brought good luck on their voyages. Whether the legend is true or not, one thing's for sure: these bows are simply irresistible. Before we start, let's gather our ingredients. Don't worry, you probably already have most of these in your pantry. We'll need flour, sugar, butter, eggs, a pinch of salt, and a sprinkle of cinnamon for that warm, comforting flavor. Now for the fun part. First, we cream together the butter and sugar until it's light and fluffy. Then, we beat in the eggs one at a time, followed by the dry ingredients. This is where you can get your hands messy. Once the dough is smooth, we roll it out and cut it into thin strips. Now here's the secret to those beautiful bows. We simply tie each strip into a loose knot. It's as easy as that. After a quick dip in hot oil, our bows are ready to be showered with a dusting of powdered sugar.